Good afternoon. You look a little worried. How can I help you?
Yes, I am nervous about the flight announcements on the plane.
You are afraid you cannot understand the pilot?
Yes, they speak very fast.
That is a common fear. Do not worry.
I feel embarrassed when I cannot understand.
It is normal. Announcements use simple standard phrases.
Really? They sound complicated to me.
Let us practice slowly together.
That would help me a lot.
First, you will hear ladies and gentlemen. That means everyone.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
Then the pilot says, "Welcome aboard." It means welcome on the plane.
Welcome aboard. Okay.
You may hear, "Our flight time is 2 hours."
That tells me how long the flight is, right?
Yes, exactly. It tells you the duration.
Duration means time of the flight?
Yes, duration means how long something lasts.
I understand now.
Next, you may hear, "We are preparing for takeoff."
Takeoff means the plane goes up?
Correct. Takeoff is when the plane leaves the ground.
And landing is when it comes down?
Yes, landing is when the plane arrives on the ground.
That makes it clearer.
The pilot may say, "Please fasten your seat belt."
That means I must click the belt, right?
Yes, always fasten it when you hear that.
Sometimes they speak too fast.
Listen for key words like seatbelt, landing, or turbulence.
Turbulence. What is that?
Turbulence means strong air movement. The plane may shake.
Oh, that scares me sometimes.
It is usually normal and safe.
That is good to know.
You may also hear, "Cabin crew, please prepare for landing."
Cabin crew are the flight attendants?
Yes, the staff who help passengers on the plane.
Okay.
Another common sentence is, "We are experiencing slight delay."
Delay means the flight is late?
Yes, slight means small.
So, slight delay is a small delay.
Exactly. You are learning quickly.
I feel more confident already.
The pilot may say, "The weather at our destination is sunny."
Destination means the place we are going to?
Yes, destination is the final place.
Good.
Sometimes they say, "Local time is 3 p.m."
That tells me the time in the new country?
Correct. Always check local time after landing.
I usually feel confused about time.
You can adjust your watch or phone after arrival.
That is helpful advice.
Another phrase is, "Please remain seated."
Remain seated means stay in my seat?
Yes, do not stand up yet.
I once stood up too early.
It is safer to wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off.
Seatbelt sign is the light above?
Yes, when it turns off, you may stand up.
Now I understand the system.
If you do not understand, watch what others do.
That is smart.
You can also ask a flight attendant politely.
What can I say?
You can say, could you please repeat that slowly?
That sentence is very useful.
Simple and polite English works everywhere.
I thought I needed perfect English.
No, you need key words and calm listening.
Key words help me catch the meaning.
Yes, focus on important words, not every word.
That reduces stress.
Remember, announcements follow similar patterns on every flight.
So they are not random?
No, they are international standard phrases.
That makes me feel safer.
Before takeoff, they talk about safety instructions.
Safety instructions are very important.
Yes, listen for exits, oxygen mask, and life vest.
Oxygen mask is for emergency breathing?
Correct. It drops from above your seat if needed.
I saw that in a video.
Good. Preparation reduces fear.
I feel calmer now.
When you know the common phrases, you are ready.
I will practice these sentences again.
That is excellent. Repetition builds listening skill.
Thank you for explaining slowly.
You are welcome. Learning should feel safe.
Now I am not afraid of fast announcements.
Remember, breathe slowly and listen for key words.
Yes, breathe slowly. Listen carefully.
You are ready for your flight.
I feel ready now.
Have a pleasant journey and enjoy your trip.
Thank you. I will listen with confidence.